as the death toll in mainland China reaches 1,113. Here is the latest news. China health officials said Wednesday the death toll from the novel coronavirus has reached 1,113. It stood at 1,016 on Tuesday. Officials at China's National Health Commission said there were now 44,653 confirmed cases in mainland China. More than 500 cases have been recorded outside mainland China, so far 2 of them fatal. One person died from the virus in the Philippines on February 1st, and another in Hong Kong several days later. Coronavirus gets official name from WHO, COVID-19. The new coronavirus now has an official name, COVID-19, COVID-19. It stands for the coronavirus disease that was discovered in 2019. The World Health Organization announced the name Tuesday, saying it was careful to find a name without stigma. We had to find a name that did not refer to a geographical location or animal, or an individual group of people, said the WHO Director General. It is also easy to pronounce, he added. World must consider coronavirus public enemy number 1, WHO. Coronavirus outbreak poses a very grave threat for the rest of the world and should be viewed as public enemy number 1, the head of the WHO said Tuesday. Referring to some government's counterterrorism measures, he said during a press conference in Geneva, "To be honest, a virus is more powerful in creating political, economic, and social upheaval than any terrorist attack. A virus can have more powerful consequences than any terrorist action. If the world doesn't want to wake up and consider this enemy virus as public enemy number 1, I don't think we will learn from our lessons," he added. Asians worldwide share examples of coronavirus-related xenophobia on social media. From New York City to Los Angeles and various other cities around the world, people of Asian descent have been documenting xenophobic incidents on social media following the recent outbreak of the new coronavirus. NBC News has been tracking social media reports of harassment targeting Asian communities globally as the number of confirmed cases of coronavirus continue to spread internationally, including 13 in the United States. Outspoken Chinese lawyer critical of government missing in Wuhan, family says. A Chinese lawyer who had been documenting the coronavirus outbreak in the city of Wuhan has not been seen or heard from since last week, and friends and family say they fear he may have been forcibly quarantined by the Chinese government. The lawyer, Chen Kuishi, 34, made a series of social media posts about the outbreak in Wuhan, the epicenter of the epidemic, starting January 25th, several days after the city was locked down by the Chinese government to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. Calling himself a citizen journalist, Chen posted videos and messages reporting hardships faced by Wuhan residents seeking medical help and supplies, as well as hospital overcrowding. His last update came last Thursday. He has not been seen or heard of from since, his friends and family say. First group of evacuated Americans released from quarantine. The first group of American citizens who were evacuated from the Chinese city of Wuhan, the center of the epidemic, are healthy and have been released from their 14-day quarantine imposed by the federal government. All 195 passengers had been housed at the March Air Reserve Base in Riverside County, California, since late January. None of them have developed what's now called COVID-19. Those quarantined have been deemed safe to re-enter their communities, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's Dr. Nancy Knight said during a news conference Tuesday. American Airlines cancels flights to mainland China and Hong Kong through April 24. American Airlines has extended the suspension of flights to and from mainland China and Hong Kong. Flights between Dallas, Fort Worth, and Los Angeles and mainland China will be suspended through April 24, as will be the flights between the two hubs and Hong Kong. We will continue to evaluate this schedule and make any adjustments as necessary, the company said in a statement. 650 U.S. passengers aboard Holland America cruise ship, no suspected coronavirus cases. There are more than 600 Americans aboard Holland America's cruise ship MS Westerdam that was barred from docking in Thailand on Tuesday, the latest country to turn it away amid fears of the coronavirus despite no confirmed infections on board. A company spokesperson said Tuesday there were 1,455 guests, including 650 U.S. citizens and 802 crew members on board. We have no reason to believe there are any cases of coronavirus on board the ship, the spokesperson said. The cruise ship was expected to disembark in Bangkok on Thursday, but Thai Deputy Transport Minister said in a Facebook post Tuesday that while the ship would not be allowed to dock, Thailand would gladly help in providing fuel, medicine, and food to the ship. Holland America said Wednesday that the ship has received all approvals to dock in Cambodia. Guests will be able to go ashore, the company said in a statement, thanking Cambodian authorities. It reiterated that all guests on board are healthy. 174 cases confirmed aboard quarantine cruise ship in Japan. Japan's health ministry said Tuesday that 39 additional cases of the coronavirus had been confirmed aboard a cruise ship being quarantined off Yokohama, south of Tokyo, with 3,700 passengers and crew members on board. The latest batch of confirmed cases came from additional 53 samples that were taken on the ship. Japan's health minister also reported one case involving a quarantine officer. All will be transferred to medical facilities on shore. That brings the total number of confirmed cases aboard the ship to 174, the highest number of confirmed cases outside mainland China. So far, 492 people have been screened. Japanese broadcaster NHK reported Wednesday 4 people among the confirmed cases are in serious condition. 2 of them are in intensive care, and the other 2 are on respirators, NHK said. Chinese epidemiologist says outbreak could be over by April. The coronavirus outbreak is hitting a peak in China this month and may be over by April, a senior government medical advisor said Tuesday. In an interview with Reuters, Zhang Nanshan, 83, who won fame for combating the SARS epidemic in 2003, was optimistic the new outbreak would soon slow, with the number of new cases already declining in some places. The peak should come in middle or late February, followed by a plateau and decrease, Zhang said, basing the forecast on mathematical modeling, recent events, and government action. Guys, gals, everything in between. What say you about this coronavirus, COVID-19 as they're calling it now? Same thing, different name, same situation. I don't see it getting any better. They're saying hopefully by April. Well, that's still 2 months away. But I want to hear what your thoughts and opinions are. Leave comments in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I do provide new videos daily. Don't forget, hit that like button. And if you do subscribe, or if you already have subscribed but forgot to hit that bell icon, make sure you do so. You will get notified as to each new video that I post immediately. Guys, gals, everything in between, most importantly, take care of each other, love one another, stay healthy, keep your family safe, do all the precautions you need to, wash hands, wear gloves, do whatever you need to do, stay safe. Remember, peace and love. All right, for now, Vavakaga, out.